good. They're making me feel
see
good
those
too.
airplane out there? That's
Well, those are radar targets.
Yeah,
There's an
that's
F-22 radar.
radars.
Yep.
So they mount them on a pipe, you know. And,
Okay, now in the back seat we've got Josh. He's doing the tornado watch apparently in the back seat. So can
It's
you
not
post
tornado season.
Yes,
but they don't.
Just say
make-
tomato season or tornado season?
Tornado. Tomato.
Yeah, tomato. Holy moly. That's
Look
got
at the wind sack straight out there.
Yes, it is straight out.
Winds are at least 15 knots.
Is this the...
This is the airport.
This is a great place to be with the tornado.
You betcha. Airport's
just-
the best.
Yeah, let's just...
And
yeah.
there's no ditch or anything to crawl under.
Well, let's go... yeah, right. Let's go to the basement.
There
It
is
doesn't
no
exist.
basement.
So that little that round hangar right there, that's where they keep the B-25. And
But you could see the windsock out there.
You can see the
bright
flag
orange.
as well.
See the windsock?
Yeah.
So it's a good indication of the wind speed.
I can't help but think it's a crappy idea to be right here, right now at this
Yeah, I agree.
Tornado.
Take shelter now.
Take shelter now.
That's what it says. Extreme alert.
Oh, there's the siren.
Siren.
Uh-oh.
That's great.
All right.
Well, where do you want to go? I think here's not a good place. Let's go back from whence we came.
Yes, let's do.
Let's do that really quite
Let's
quickly.
go find like a basement potential.
So we're hearing the siren.
Because over here we
Is it
get.
called the Wheeling Siren?
Yes,
Siren?
that's a tornado siren.
The Wheeling Siren.
The
yeah.
way-
Is that what it's called?
Yeah,
And it's telling
real.
us to take shelter now.
Blue. What is blue
So
mean?
if
So
you're-
where would it be coming
So,
from over
so
there?
it says
Right, so do you get hail with this thing?
underground.
Good.
Not sure what that
Holy
is.
moly.
But it's US.
Yeah, damage your car.
Can I have my phone for just a second?
Right.
Okay, so now we're not into storm busting or anything. What do they call that?
Storm chasing?
Storm chaser.
Storm
We're
chasing. We don't really want to do this.
Hey, if you get a picture, we'll have to post it to Higgins.
Higgins storm chasing?
Yeah.
Well, it's not exactly the most adequate type of thing to do.
Extreme
look at
alert.
Look at the smoke coming off that one.
Wow.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
just blown away.
Smoke.
Yeah, off
Smokestack.
the smokestack.
Oh, it's over here.
This is the direction
Yep,
toward the
it's
thing.
over here.
So we'll go.
Yes.
We'll just continue like we did.
So we are under extreme alert.
Is that formations coming down?
Do you see wall clouds? If you do, we'll go that way.
It just seems to be dips in the clouds.
So that's pretty
You'll
normal.
see it boiling down. You'll see
Is
fingers.
Missouri's MO, right?
Okay,
No.
I see what Christine's talking about.
Yeah,
There's
yes.
3 of them.
Yeah.
There's 3 of them right over there. See the dipping?
I cannot see anything like this sort.
Well, the good part is that it's daylight a little bit, so we could see where
You
it's
can either
coming
go that
from.
way, which is away from the storm, or this way that's close to the storm.
No, we'll go away.
You want to go away?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
Because
So,
the air raid.
yeah,
Air
we're here
raid.
to
Air
see.
raid sirens. That's pretty much
But
that's
look
pretty
at
much
the Josh,
You see the dips?
there's 3
Yeah, I
dips.
saw the dips.
3 of them. 3 of them right there. 3 of them.
We've had everything. You've had me driving a Ford ST,
Very dramatic.
and we've got tornadoes. Fantastic.
Now I'm really glad we don't have an airplane out there.
Oh my gosh.
Actually
no
checked.
kidding. But there's 3 distinct dips over there. That's
What's a dip?
wild.
I don't know.
It's like an upside down pyramid coming down. The sky just being pulled down like a cylinder.
Okay, this is fantastic. This is something for our friends back home.
That was back behind us.
Oh, there it is. Got it. The path is North St. Louis.
That's where we're going.
Literally through St. Charles. You can
Yep,
see it
yep,
there.
right there.
So, yes,
We're
we'll
in
be
the
in
red
Hendricks.
zone. It does say extreme, so we are right in. And if the siren goes off,
We go in the basement.
we're
Normally, that would be the case. Although there's been so many false alarms, we just don't even bother anymore.
Yeah, it's rather comforting.
So if you want to show this, Dad,
It's a bit like an air raid sign. Don't take your nose of it. What's this?
this is a tornado. That red box.
Yeah, this is where we are.
That's where we're going. Where the tornado's hitting, and
So
we're
we are
basically
there.
in it.
Right, that's comforting.
Yes.
So,
We're going away
So,
from
so that red splotch, that wouldn't be it, correct? Carla?
Stopped.
Yeah, I think they're just probably hunters or something.
Oh, okay.
sure, you'd be out here hunting at the moment.
right to the scene.
Oh, people do all kinds of crap, stupid, crazy things. You'd be surprised.
It'll dissipate.
See the light line on this thing? Picks up everything still.
Whoa.
Looks like it's gonna go over that way too.
That's looks like rain. Just a big giant van coming.
Oh, hang on. What's that? Coming around like that.
But what
Oh,
you look
that's a-
for